Problem number 1 on the review is a simplification problem. This differs slightly from an equation, so we're going to highlight a few words that are key in this particular question. The first word that we're going to highlight is the word expression. This is an expression, not equation. So that means we're going to simplify it, not solve it. The second word that we need to highlight is equivalent. That means that this expression is going to be the same as one of the expressions below it once we simplify the entire thing. So, in order to do this, we're going to use the distributive property. And we're going to do that 2 different times. We're going to distribute 2 over 5 into 5x minus 15, just like so. And following that, we're going to distribute the negative sign into 12y minus 18x, just like so. So let's begin by distributing 2 over 5 into 5x minus 15y. First, I'm going to take 2 over 5, and I'm going to multiply it by 5x, and I'm going to end up, after I select the correct pen width here, I'm going to end up with 2x. Afterwards, I'm going to distribute 2 over 5 into minus 15y, and when I do that, I'm going to end up with negative 6y. Now I move to the next distribution. One thing that's important to remember is there is something of a hidden 1 there in between the negative and the parentheses. You can either think of this as distributing the negative into the parentheses or distributing a negative 1. Either way, when I perform this distribution, negative 1 times 12y is going to give me negative 12y. Then negative 1 times a negative 18 will give me a positive 18x. So I've done step 1. I've distributed twice, and I'm on my way to simplifying this expression. But now at this stage, I need to identify my terms. My x terms are 2x and plus 18x. Remember, the sign goes with the term. When I combine those two, I'll do 2x plus 18x to get 20x. Then I need to identify my y terms, negative 6y, and in addition to that, negative 12y will be my 2y terms. Negative 6 minus 12 is negative 18, and then I'll write my y in. At this point, I've simplified as much as I can. I look over at my answer choice.